So I found this infinite fusion website where you like fuse 2 Pokemon. I'm gonna do a random one for Mime Junior and Feebas. Let's see this one. What the? Oh my god. This is just the most time-wasting video ever. What is this? This is just an egg with flippers and a dorsal fin. This one, I put it out of its misery. This one I would take. I would take this. I want this to be my pet. Okay, let's go around. Mefion and Krabby. Okay, this one's good. You know what? I like that one. Kinda. Let's go for some Ditto fusions. Go for some Ditto. Bro, I said Ditto. I said friggin' Ditto. No! What the? Let me... Ditto. Stop! What is happening? What is that? What is that? What? Who made this? I want a Metagross version. Ooh, what about Metagross? What about Metagross and Torterra? Metagross. Let's see. A gun? Wait. Speaking of gun, let's just yes. See if... What is this? What? Okay. What? You know that one kind of looks cool. Don't ask. Vaporeon. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, no, that one's kind of good. I like that one. That one's kind of good. We got Mermaid. It's not really a mermaid. So we got this one. I like this one. This one's good. Take a screenshot of that. Take it right now. Okay. Oh, no. Dang it. Of course. What? Oh my god. What about this one? Honestly, I kind of like it. No, that's a mermaid if I've ever seen one. Nope. Let's go, yeah, Lopunny. I'm not thinking something. Don't, you dirty-minded freak. And then, yeah. Porygon. Oh, it's Minecraft Lopunny! What about Porygon? What about Porygon 2? Let's see, Porygon. Dang it. I pressed the random button! Okay, now this one's cool, actually. This is Wailord if Wailord went to the gym. Lopunny Oddish. What? What? Okay, let's see. Just Lopunny Crobat. This one's gonna be cool. Whoa! Oh, that's cool. Okay. I don't even know what I was thinking. He looks like he's about to do the anime finger point. Okay, let's go for another one. Crocodile. What is this? Okay. Oh. Smash. Wait, no. Wait, no. You heard nothing. Okay. Just you pretend you heard nothing. I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, Snorlax. Let's see. Oh, Big Chungus! I didn't think it was real. And then we got this. And this one's pretty good. This one's way better though. Lopunny. Oh, Porygon Z. Let's see. You got Porygon 2, and Porygon. Oh! Wasn't gonna click that. That's not my cursor. Okay, what should... Lopunny and, Umbreon. For those of you who don't know, Vaporeon has been dethroned. Yeah. That one's pretty good. I like that one. Edgy Bunny. And then this one, I don't look at that. Let's see. What other Pokemon can I do? Lopunny V. No, hold up, wait. What about Lopunny Venusaur? What is that? Okay. Let's look at this one. This one's pretty good. I appreciate that. Charmander. Oh, look at it! Oh, okay. You know what? The face. It looked good, but then I looked at the face and. Why? Why are all of these so Genesect? Oh, okay. Now don't look at that. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one's good. This one's good. It has 2 bullets. What is that? What do you mean by that? It has 2 guns. Don't even say it. Okay. Let's Turtwig. Ooh, this one's a good one. What? No! Disappointed me so much. Let's go. Oh, let's do another Remoraid. Whoa! That's just fish Lopunny. Okay. Wait, I forgot you could do double fusions. Wait, what if we Lopunny and Lopunny? Yo! Hold up, wait. Paneri. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we got baby Lopunny, and then weird child Lopunny. Okay, let's Spiritomb Lopunny. I don't know. Let's not look at that one. Okay, you know what? If I looked into the portal and I saw that, I'm jumping straight in. Except this one, I will jump into that portal. This is just full of me saying very dirty-minded things. This is a really good fusion. I like it. What about Spinda? What about Spinda? Oh. What is this? You know, this one's the only slightly good one. But then I look at this one. Spinda. This Pokemon isn't... Oh, Spinda's not in... Okay. Spinarak. Elmer and Spinnerack. Joltik and Spin... 2 spiders. Okay, this one's good. This one's not as good. This one's better. I like this. Take a screenshot of it. Oh, wait. I'm going to take a screenshot. And then I'm going to put that as my wallpaper forever. It's perfect. I'm going to, no. Wait. Yes. Okay. No percent. No. Machamp. Low Pony Machamp. What the heck is that? What is that? This one. I would fuse this one. This one's good. This one's good. Those legs could probably kick anything. You got 4 arms and thick legs. You can destroy anything with those, bro. Whoa, what about Diggersby? Hold on, wait, what about Diggersby? Okay, Diglett. Well, let's do Diglett. What's the worst that could happen? This is just before, after. What even is that? That's good anyway. I'm just trying to find a good low pony fusion so I can put it as my background. Well, I already did that. Trico. Nope. Dugong. Whoa, okay. Oh, that's really good. You know, I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Honorable mention. It's an honorable mention. Rayquaza, okay. What? Okay, I was just like, where's the face on that? This one is going to be my thumbnail and also my background. You guys want me to stop? Do you think I'm crazy? Ekans. Ekans is just really bad fusions. Pidgey and Zora. Larvitar and Pidgey. No, why don't we just do a random one? Ooh! Let's do a random one. Cloyster and Pinsir. I like Cloyster. What's the worst? Whoa! Okay, now that one's actually really good. If you remove that line, like, through the eye, it would actually be really good. But you didn't do that, so this one's better. What if you Cloyster and Cloyster? Ooh. Cloyster? What if you Cloyster and Cloyster? I need to know. Oh, come on! That's really disappointing. That's really disappointing. Cloyster and Cloyster is just Cloyster. Are you kidding me? What about Cloyster and Shelder? What? This one's just a bigger Cloyster. This one's just a bigger Shelder, and this one's just a smaller Cloyster. Okay, what about Cloyster and Lopunny? Lopunny is just, like, it's coming to mind so much. Oh! Okay. The face is minus points. I don't really like that face. But everything else, pretty good. Let's do a random one. Celebi. Oh man, I had so high hopes for that one. And it gave me this. And this. This one's the only half good. This one's not half bad. But like, Jigglypuff. What? Okay. What? What? Okay, this one's good. I like that one. Let's do another one. Kabutops. This one's good. Curlia Cloister. Ooh, that's good. Don't know what that is though. Umbreon Cloister. Okay, no, I need to take a screenshot of that. That's really good. I need that. Oh my god. What happened? Combrion? Wait. It really tricked me into saying that. Lampent. I really like Lampent. It's a good Pokemon. And so is this fusion. Jumpluff. What? What? Okay, no, this is the only fusion where this one's better. Shinx? No. Kakuna. This one might be good. Okay. Face. Bro, this is literally me when you say an unfunny joke. Bruh. I need that one. Zoroark. This will be good. Oh, come on. I thought that was going to be good. Whoa! Okay, that is epic. This is the most epic Cloister fusion I've ever seen. I need that. Magmar. No. Fluffy. Whoa! What is that? Who ate Kirby? Who ate Kirby? Somebody ate Kirby. And now he's sad. Somebody ate Kirby. Guys, call 911. Kirby got eaten. I need this one. We have spent 17 minutes on this stupid barrel. Well, you know what? This one looks kind of good. Kakuna. We already did that one. Kabuto. Oh! Hello there. What about Mimikyu? Something tells me that Mimikyu is going to be epic. Mimikyu. Okay. You know what? I'll take that. Yoink. Everything's getting yoinked. What about Venusaur? You know what? I'm not gonna lie, if you could fuse 3 Pokemon, this would be Venusaur with Gengar and Cloyster. This is the only fusion where you have 3. I like both of them equally, so. I like this one. This one's good. I like both of them equally. What is happening right now? We're just doing a bunch of Cloyster fusions. I love Cloyster, by the way. What about Weavile and coughing? Nothing is good with coughing. Licky licky. Ooh, no, nah, this is evil. This is evil, but like. That's just a low budget, low punny, big chungus. What the heck? Now this one is good. I need this one. Gimme. What about Gardevoir and Licky? I'm just thinking of all of I'm just thinking of all of the Pokemon that people would smash, honestly. With Licky. Good. Or Gardevoir. Ooh, we haven't done a Garchomp fusion yet. Okay, this one's disappointing, as always. This one, what? Let me see what's going on here. Okay, you know what? You get it. You get a screenshot. It's Salamence. Oh wait, no What about Salamence and let's go with Garchomp. What about Salamence and Garchomp? Garchomp. Perfect. Salamence and Garchomp. Pretty good. I'll take that. I'll yoink that actually. Let's go Luxray. What's the Let's go Luxray. Luxray. What's the worst that could happen? Okay, the worst that could happen is we get that. Still pretty good, though. So really nothing bad can happen. This one is great. I want it. If we spend 21 minutes here, you know what? I'll you know what? You know, I'll call that a day. You know.